Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop Software's Item Explorer enables users to quickly find information about items and add them to customer and supplier orders. To access the Item Explorer, select Daily Activity, then Item Explorer from the menu bar. Items can be searched for by various attributes, including name, code, item fields, catalog codes, and manufacturer information. To search for an item, enter your terms in the search box and click on the button to the right, or press enter on the keyboard. The search results will appear in a list at the bottom of the Item Explorer window, showing item and pricing information. This includes the quantities available and on hand at the current branch, as well as other branches within the Marlin system. Promotion items are also highlighted in green, and promotion details can be shown by hovering the mouse over them. The toggles to the right of the search box can be used to show all on-hand or only available items matching the search terms. Selecting a customer using the customer picker below the search box will update the results with the relevant sell price information. Additional details about a selected item can be viewed by clicking on the Details button to the top right of the results list. Ticking the selected checkbox for an item and performing another search will keep them at the top of the list, allowing them to be easily compared with the new search results. The Item Explorer can also be accessed from within customer and supplier orders by clicking on the Explore button to the top of the order details list. If accessing the item from a supplier or customer order, the selected checkboxes can also be used to add multiple items to the order at once. Visit the Megabus website for more information and take control of your workshop with Marlin Tyre and Mechanical Workshop Software.